Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and on this tutorial I am going to show you how I did this beautiful silky ponytail with curly extensions. So if you're interested in finding out how I created this beautiful gorgeous silky ponytail, the most natural ponytail tutorial ever seen, so please continue watching. Okay, so basically my hair is already washed and blow dried. So basically starting right now to comb all my hair back to put it in the position that I wanted my ponytail to be. As you can see, I am just starting to do that. I didn't flat iron my hair because they are relaxed textures, so I just blow dry them and they're already okay. So I don't have to use so much, I don't like to use so much heat on my hair because it can break. Because now I'm in the journey of growing my hair very healthy. Okay, so now I'm starting to put my hair in the position that I want my ponytail to be, and I'm using that um, elastic band to tie my hair, as you can see right there. I am trying to create one of the most natural silky ponytail, and I'm using Eco Styling Gel. This gel, to be honest, I haven't been using it for longer. I use it probably now for some months, but I like it. It doesn't make my hair sticky or something. So I started applying from my edges, like all over the hair that I want them to be laid back as flat as possible, and I'm using a comb just to comb everything back. So basically that's what you can do, just comb your hair back like that. This is one of the easiest hairstyle ever. For example, for beginners or somebody really who don't know how to do their hair, or they always have somebody doing it for them, this is one of the easiest. You just grab a gel and just put it over there. As long as you just doing it right. Just don't put so much product on your hair because I don't really like, let me say from my perspective, I don't think I like so much gel on my hair. So I'm trying to put as little as possible, but just to make that everything just together, like to put everything together because my sides here are shorter. So I'm adding a little bit of water. Like I said, I don't want to use so much product on my hair. So water helps my hair just to lay properly. So if you put a little bit of water and then voila, that's it. So that's how the back looks like, so flat and silky. Okay, that's good. And now I am removing the ponytail, like I have to untie it and again add some oil. This is like Pantene oil, that is like organic oil, olive oil, that I like to add a little bit of shine and softness and make the hair so smooth and so soft. Guys, I like this product. This oil is one of the best. It's kind of like my everyday oil, if I would say. Yeah, and it doesn't stick your hair. It's not greasy. It's very silky and soft, and it's so good if you are making a ponytail or you just want to add it to your hair to make it to give it a little bit of shine and smooth. This is good, I would say. And now I'm tying my hair. I am tying my hair in the ponytail that I how I want it to be. Okay, so basically one thing I do, I don't like tying my ponytail so tight because I can have headache and I don't like having headache. And now I'm putting for my edges, I'm actually using that gels you can see right there. It's my edge control gel that I use on my edges. It's for me, I think it's actually better than the Eco on edges. So, and now I'm just using a toothbrush just to lay my edges so perfectly, like so flat and silky as possible, as you can see right there. Toothbrush is great, it's doing a great job for me. I don't prefer using a comb when I want to lay my edges. And I'm on this ponytail, I don't want to have so much of edges like laid down. So I'm taking small amount, like very small, like little as you can see, just a little bit just to define my edges a little, but not much. Because I don't know. But this time I wanted just to have few like very, very less edges laid down. So I'm just adding my gel, some products on it, and just keep on laying it down. Yes, girl, lay your urges, lay your urges. This is one of my interesting part. When I'm laying my edges, I'm like, yeah, this is so amazing. Seriously, it's my favorite part. So if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification button so that you'll always be notified when I'm posting new videos. And I'm to set my ponytail, I'm using Gotta Be Glue volume hairspray. It's give a extra shine, and it helps the hair just to be in the same position the whole time. So I'm braiding my remaining hair, like as you can see right there, and to secure it I'm using elastic band because otherwise it will just re-undo itself, re-unbraid. So that's what I do. So I put like a scarf on my head just to make sure that everything is so flat and laid properly as I want it to be. So you can use any scarf of your choice as long as it's very silky, like in a silky material. And to do this, I'm not using hair clip. I'm using just a like a ribbon to tie my hair, like to connect it at the beginning of the ponytail, as you can see right there. That's all. I just tie it, and now I keep on just rolling back and forth, like just installing the the extension, as you can see I'm doing right there. That's what I'm doing. Yeah, to be honest, nothing interesting. It's only that. It's just the same. You just keep on repeating and repeating and repeating until you are almost at the top. And the reason I use that elastic band like to secure my ponytail at the beginning, not a hair clip, is simply because I want to have this hairstyle for quite some time. I don't know, maybe like 3 days or 4 days. So I want it to be secure, and that's what I do. As you can see right there. Now I'm removing the scarf. It's probably dry. Now I'm putting the next extension because first I put only one bottle. Now I'm putting the second bottle, and I just use the edge of the extension just to secure it. I don't like using a hairpin because I easily get headaches. So this is for me. This is better because I don't make it very tight. So I continue doing the same thing I did at the beginning, just continuing putting the extension around and around and around and around. Yeah, and around. So guys, please don't forget to comment down below what you think about my extension or what would you love to see on my next video. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. And don't forget to subscribe. Yes, and to secure again, I'm using just the edge of the extension just to take one portion and just rub it through. Rub it through just to make sure that everything is secure. And voila, that's my ponytail right there. And it looks so natural. Like I said, this is one of the most natural ponytail I ever did. So as you can see right there, it looks like my hair. Yeah. And now to cover the width, as you can see here, lay on top, to cover that extension width, I'm taking a bigger portion of the hair and just rub it through, roll it through, around and around, just to secure the track of the extension. That's what I do. And I don't use any rubber band, any rubber band just to secure my ponytail. It's already secured like that, like I say. And there it is, girl. What do you think? I didn't use a lot of product, like a lot of tutorial do. I just add a little because I think my hair cool. So that's it. That's the end. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. I really appreciate that. I appreciate you being here and your time. Please don't forget to subscribe. And I'm adding a little bit of like the similar Pantene organic olive oil just to give my extension a little bit of shine. My ponytail a little bit of shine. And that's it. Okay, so stay tuned. See you again in my next video. So ciao ciao. Thank you for watching.